What's up, YouTube? FD White back with another episode of FD White Invest. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. We talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about overall investing as a whole, but mostly we be talking about crypto, and right now crypto is not looking good. We do have some economic data coming out, some unemployment data coming out soon today, so this will potentially move the markets back in a direction that we want, but it's not looking good. It's looking like the rally might be over for now. So we all know that September is typically seasonally a bearish month. So it's playing out right now. So this is what I'm going to do, because I can't tell you what to do with your money. I can't tell anybody what to do with their money. I can only tell you what I'm doing. So I have a lot of people that I really, really respect in the space. I really, really respect in the, in the investing world. They're saying the top is in. They're saying the top is in for stocks. They're saying the top is in for crypto. They're saying sell. That's what they're telling me. They're telling me to sell. So I'll give you a quick story about what happened to me last year. So around this time last year, we were going down. We were still in, pretty much in a nice little bear market towards the end of the bear market, but we didn't know. So I'm thinking, 2024, we're going to roll around. We're going to be in an economic depression. Everything's going to be at zero. Bitcoin's going to be at 10K. The stock market's going to be very low. And what happened? We turned around just like that, and we just went up only for about 6 months. Granted, we did have the ETF pushing us up, propelling us up, rocketing us up. But, I missed a lot of the coins that I really, really wanted to buy. I had to kind of chase and get into them while they were a little bit higher, because I thought they were going to come down. I really thought they were going to come down a lot more, but they didn't. The market turned around, flipped, and then boom, we were off to the races. So I got a little PTSD, there we go, from that, getting left behind, during that last rally. So what I'm doing right now, I'm not selling. I did reallocate just a tad bit of my portfolio to Bitcoin. I really have not sold anything for fiat. Like I said, I've taken a little bit off the table, skimmed a little bit off the top of coins that haven't been moving, that I'm still in profit from 2021, and put it into Bitcoin. But for the most part, I'm gonna wait it out, man. I think I'm gonna wait it out and see what happens. Now the technicals do have levels, are showing me levels to where it's like, okay, now I need to get a little bit worried. We are in some sort of descending, broadening wedge or a bull flag on the weekly. If you look at the weekly, you can look at it on the daily as well for Bitcoin, with the bottom side support level coming in at about we'll say about 51 to 49K. So if we break 50, let's just say 50K, let's just make it a round even number. If we break 50K and convincingly start to hold that as resistance, I'm gonna get a little bit worried. But then we do have a little bit of support at about 44 to 43K. If we start getting below that and holding that as resistance, then I will really, really, really be start to get worried. But for the most part, right now we're hovering around 55, 56K. We're holding that 59K level as resistance. So that's the next step. So we got to take baby steps. I want to see us reclaim that 59, 60K area, so we can get back in that huge range, that huge 59 to 70, 72K area. We keep losing that. I told my community, I told everybody over on Piper Academy, that community, that if we start losing that 59K and holding that as resistance, then we're going to form a new range. And our new range is looking like right now, it's not that big of a range, but it's looking like we're forming a range between that 59 and that 54, 55K area. So that's the range that I'm looking at right now. I want to continue to stay in this range. Hopefully we don't get too much more bearish this month, because like I said earlier in the video, September is usually a bearish month for stocks and crypto seasonally. So a lot of people have been doing a lot of research, and they say like the first 20 to 22 days of September is usually very bearish. So I'm gonna hope that Bitcoin doesn't continue to roll over going into the middle part of September, and I'm gonna hope that we can weather this storm. So I'm gonna sit on my hands right now. I'm gonna sit on my hands. I'm going to trade. I'm actually going home. Just drop my kids off at school. I'm gonna go home, pop open breakout prop. If you want to trade on a prop firm, a crypto prop firm, breakout prop firm is the premier one. I have a link below if you want to sign up under my affiliate link. I am an affiliate of Breakout Prop. So you can just take an evaluation, get funded, you know, 5, 10, 25, 50, or 100K account, and you can go from there. But back to what I'm saying, we really want to hold these levels around here. 50K, that's really my next line, like 50, you know, 49, 50K. We came down to 49. A lot of people are calling that the bottom. Because of what it took to get to 49K. It took that carry trade, that Japanese carry trade, all the mayhem, all the madness of the Japanese carry trade to bring us down to 49K, and we pop right back up. So now I'm looking at that to potentially hold as well if we do start to go back down. And we, like I said, we do have some confluence coming in from the bottom side of that descending broadening wedge or bull flag, whatever you want to call it. So we'll just see, man. We'll just see. So what I'm doing, I'm holding. I did reallocate some money back into Bitcoin, like I said, but I'm just going to see what happens. And we're going to, I'm not going to sell. I'm not selling. Like, you know, like Leonardo DiCaprio on Wolf of Wall Street, man. I'm not selling. I think that was the movie. But what are you doing? Let me know what you guys are doing in the chat. Are you guys scared? Are you guys DCAing? Are you guys, you know, going into fiat? Are you reallocating into Bitcoin? I want to know what the community is doing. I want to know what the space is doing. I want to know what the overall sentiment is around the space. So let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing, and we can go from there. So yeah, this is FD White. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate everybody who watched this far. We have some technical video probably coming out a little bit later, so make sure you hit that all bell notification to know when I drop a new video or when I go live. I will talk to everybody in the next video. Peace.